Causes of a car battery draining problem. A drained car battery is a common issue that can leave drivers stranded, often at the most inconvenient times. The problem arises when the battery cannot hold a sufficient charge to start the engine or power the vehicle's electrical systems. While battery drainage can result from simple user mistakes, it may also point to underlying mechanical or electrical problems. Here are common causes of car battery drainage. 1. Leaving lights or accessories on. One of the most common causes of battery drainage is leaving headlights, interior lights, or other electrical accessories on after turning off the engine. Modern cars often have systems to warn or automatically shut off these components, but older vehicles may lack this feature. Even a small light left on overnight can completely drain the battery. 2. Parasitic drain. Parasitic drain occurs when electrical components continue to draw power even when the car is turned off. While some drain is normal, such as power needed for the clock, alarm system, or keyless entry, excessive parasitic drain can be caused by a malfunctioning component, like a glove box or trunk light staying on, or faulty wiring. Diagnosing parasitic drain requires specialized tools, such as a multimeter, which mechanics use to measure electrical flow. 3. Faulty alternator. The alternator charges the battery while the car is running. A failing alternator may not supply sufficient power to the battery, causing it to drain over time. Additionally, a faulty alternator may have damaged diodes that allow electrical power to flow in the wrong direction, draining the battery even when the engine is off. This issue is often accompanied by flickering headlights or a warning light on the dashboard. 4. Corroded or loose battery connections. The battery terminals must have a clean and secure connection to function properly. Corrosion, dirt, or loose connections can disrupt the flow of electrical power, preventing the alternator from charging the battery fully and causing it to drain. Mechanics often clean the terminals with specialized solutions and ensure the connections are tightened securely to prevent this issue. 5. Extreme weather conditions. Temperature extremes, both hot and cold, can affect the chemical reactions inside the battery. In cold weather, the battery's capacity to hold a charge decreases due to slowed chemical reactions. Conversely, in hot weather, the heat can cause the battery fluid to evaporate, leading to reduced efficiency and potential drainage. Parking the car in a garage or shaded area during extreme weather can help protect the battery. 6. Frequent short trips. Car batteries recharge while the engine runs, but frequent short trips may not give the alternator enough time to fully recharge the battery. Over time, this insufficient charging cycle can lead to a drained battery. Drivers who only make short trips should occasionally take the car for a longer drive to allow the alternator to replenish the battery. 7. Aging battery. Car batteries have a limited lifespan, typically lasting 3 to 5 years depending on usage and maintenance. An aging battery may lose its ability to hold a charge, making it more susceptible to draining. Signs of an aging battery include difficulty starting the car or dim headlights. Regular battery testing and replacement as needed can prevent unexpected failures. 8. Faulty electrical components. Malfunctioning electrical components, such as power windows, radio systems, or even aftermarket installations like dash cams or subwoofers, can draw excessive power from the battery. Poorly installed or incompatible aftermarket devices are a common culprit. Professional mechanics recommend using high-quality, properly installed components to avoid draining the battery. 9. Failing voltage regulator. The voltage regulator ensures the alternator provides the correct voltage to charge the battery without overcharging or undercharging. A failing voltage regulator can lead to an inconsistent charge, which may overburden the battery or leave it insufficiently charged. This can cause the battery to drain prematurely or fail completely. 10. Leaving the car idle for long periods. If a car is left unused for an extended time, the battery may naturally discharge due to its inability to recharge without the alternator running. Modern vehicles with advanced electronics, such as keyless entry systems or onboard computers, contribute to this gradual drain. Using a battery maintainer or disconnecting the battery when the car is stored for long periods can help preserve its charge. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent unexpected breakdowns and prolong the life of your battery. If you encounter persistent drainage, consider consulting a professional mechanic for a thorough diagnosis.